In this 2026, if you come to me for recommendation, these are the 10 body oils I most likely recommend this year. 10 lightning body oils I would most likely recommend this year to anyone who comes to me for recommendation. These body oils are very, very beautiful and they have stood the test of time over time. So if you've been struggling to add a body oil into your skincare routine, you don't know the particular one to go for, these are body oils you would want to try out. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. How is everyone pretty much doing? To everyone who has been coming to me for consultation and recommendation, thank you very much. Messages for consultation this period is crazy. Like, you guys are so keen on having consultations done, and I'm super grateful because I know for a fact that you guys wants to be intentional with your skin this year. So I made a video about skincare products you can use in 2026, like body lotions as well as shower gels combo and lotions you can add into your skincare routine. So a lot of people were like, okay, what body oils can we incorporate into these body lotions or into our skincare routine to enable our products work effectively? A healthy skin is a skin that is glowy, radiant, and very beautiful. You cannot have a healthy skin if you don't have a body oil in your skincare routine. Body oils just goes a long way to sealing all the moisture that your skin requires to have a healthy look. See somebody whose skin is very beautiful, looking all radiant, glowy, and very soft. It means they have, body oils in their skincare routine, not just body oils, but deliberate body oils tailored for their skin type. So, like I said, in today's video, I have listed like 10 of them here that I'm going to be recommending that you guys try out in this 2026. I'm going to be recommending an additional two for you guys as my bonus point. These two are the ones that I can never recommend, like in body oils, without recommending them. So they are very effective, accessible, and very affordable. And like when I say they do the job, they deliver back to back. One on the list is the one I really personally like. It's a product that I've been recommending for like 4 years now, back to back. The only down part about this particular product is that majority of the times it's not accessible. So you want to make sure that you're looking out for the original one because there are fakes out there. And that is none other than the Beauty Series body oil. Now, Beauty Series body oil is one beautiful body oil that helps to lighten up the skin, take care of hyperpigmentations, discolorations, and all of those. Back then that I used to premix body lotions for people who wants to lighten up their skin, I add Beauty Series body oil. There have never been a time I premix a product without adding Beauty Series body oil. It also serves as an anti-reaction oil. So it's a body oil that would not give you any form of discolorations or bad reaction. It is one body oil that I would recommend to add in your skincare routine if you're looking for a body oil that would lighten your skin. Next one on my list is the Bismid Glow Radiant body oil. Now, this does not only lighten the skin or brighten the skin, it also helps to glow your skin and seal in all the moisture that your skin would require. This particular body oil is not hot on the skin. There are so many lightning body oils that are effective, but then again, they are hot on the skin, so they are not required to be used directly on the skin, but not when it comes to this particular one. I personally love Bismid oils. They are, in fact, they do what they have promised. Honestly, I have never seen anybody who uses bismuth oil, like oil in particular, and complain that they didn't do justice to the hyperpigmentation. So if you are not a fan of body lotion, you're looking for a lightning body oils to add in your skincare routine, this is a product I'm going to definitely recommend to you guys. Next up on my list is the Fair and White brightening body oil. This is a brightening body oil that lightens the skin. It is slightly hot on the skin, so you want to pair it with a body lotion. You can choose to pair it with the body lotion because it comes in a range, but better still, you pair it with the moisturizing body lotion. You're definitely going to see like effect in 14 days. You're going to see results in 14 days. This particular body oil is very effective. It has key ingredients like sweet almond oil and vitamin A, so you see that it has plant-based extract. Particularly, I would recommend this body oil to those who are not sensitive skin. Even though people who are sensitive skin can pass using body oil, but I will not recommend for a sensitive skin type. Reasons being that it's slightly hot on the skin. It gives this kind of body sensation on the skin. So if you're a sensitive skin type person, you're not careful, you end up with white patches. Okay, now the next one on my list is the Aqua Rich brightening or body oil. This particular body oil has a lot of benefits. It helps with dehydrated skin, hyperpigmentations, discoloration, it softens the skin. It also helps to blend the skin. It helps to correct the skin of imperfection like the skin, especially for those with bleach damaged skin. This is not an aggressive lightening body oil, but it's going to definitely brighten up your skin complexion. So if you have problematic skin, you're looking for a very good body oil to incorporate in your skincare routine, this is a body oil I would recommend. The Aqua Rich brightening body oil is a body oil I would recommend. It has been formulated with the finest of ingredients to help give you that soothing effect, also give your skin this beautiful finish. Now the next one here on my list is the Advanced Korean Brightest body oil. The Advanced Korean brightening body oil has been the talk of town for some months now because it does what it says it does. It is super effective and also delivers in terms of brightening the skin. It comes in two variations. This one brightens the skin and it is very beautiful. Now the other variation that I'm going to recommend, which happens to be the next body oil, is the Advanced Korean Fairest body oil. If you're looking for a good body oil that will not do too much, that will not go and do what you did not send it to do, this is a body oil you want to incorporate in your skincare routine. It is very effective, very safe, very gentle. Particularly, I love this oil because you can apply it directly on the skin and it will not burn your skin. Yeah, it will not burn your skin. It is very calming. It leaves this lasting hydration. It penetrates evenly on the skin and it does not leave your skin feeling greasy. Formulated with proline to help firm the skin, oatmeal to also help, lock in moisture or seal in hydration on the skin. So this is one body oil you want to add. If you're looking to fade off your stretch mark, this is one body oil that would also do that for you because of the ingredients that has been infused into it. The next body oil on my list, which happens to be the number 7th one, is the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C body oil. Now this comes in a very small bottle and it has been formulated with vitamin C as base ingredient with a combination of antioxidant and turmeric to help target raw, dry and bumpy skin. Like this particular body oil is one body oil that is very precise. It has the ability to take care of dark spots, like major dark spots, discolorations and uneven skin tone. This particular one is for people who have like super dark armpit, like really dark ankle, dark thighs. If you've been very insecure because of your dark tie, this is one body oil I'm going to recommend that you incorporate in your skincare routine. Apply them on those dark areas that is definitely going to fade out with time. Like it's a very strong brightening body oil with active ingredients that will enable your ankle, your dark feet, your dark knees, and even your dark thigh to clear up with time. So next one on my list that I particularly again love is the First Lady body oil. This year, like this particular year, I have recommended this oil to 5 persons, like 5. Now, I don't just recommend oils. I recommend when I know that this is what your skin needs. And when you're fully trusting me to recommend you something, I've recommended this particular oil to like 5 different persons and they have restocked. Yes, they have restocked this oil. Now, this First Lady body oil is one oil that is not easily accessible. I hardly ever recommend products here that are not easily accessible. But when I tell you that this is not easily accessible and I'm recommending it, it means that they are super effective. This is a strong, like a very strong active like in body oil that can give you this HD glow. It's a body oil that speaks for itself. It is very effective, very effective when it comes to effectively lightening the skin. One good thing about this oil is that it can be paired with coconut oil or any other carrier oil like almond oil and it's definitely still going to deliver on the job. It is very beautiful. The next body oil I have on my list, which is the 9th one, is the Vidgo Alpha Bikini body correcting oil. This is a body correcting oil and a multi-action oil that helps to tackle hyperpigmentation, discolorations, uneven skin tone, like all of those skin imperfection. Of course, we all know that Vidgo body oil, they have promised too much. Sometimes they tend to promise too much. I particularly hardly ever recommend Vidgo body oil to anyone who comes to me for recommendation because their promises are too much. I understand that it's a marketing strategy, but are they effective? Yes, they are effective. Some of them promises to, lighten up dark areas, dark spot discolorations and uneven skin tone and also lighten the skin. But I'll tell you that this both body oil, what they are very good for, I am telling you from experience and the reviews I have gotten from people I've recommended to, are very good at brightening the skin, like in terms of brightening the skin, taking care of dark spots and evening out the skin tone. I don't know for every other thing. I have never seen a big gold body oil that fade out stretch marks, but when it comes to like effectively taking care of those dark spots and evening out the skin tone, soothing and also brightening the skin, it does the job perfectly. They hardly ever retain that much moisture on the skin. That is because they are targeted body oils. Like targeted body oils are body oils that has been infused with other ingredients to help tackle major skin concerns. So they have little or no business retaining enough moisture on your skin, which is why I hardly ever recommend. So if I say that your skin requires a Vid Gold body oil, what I do is I would recommend that you get an almond oil and maybe probably like a moisturizing, your everyday moisturizing body oil, maybe baby oil, it could be cousins, it could be pears baby oil, so you can have that to retain moisture on your skin whilst this other body oil take care of those skin concerns. If you know you have a moisturizing body lotion and you don't mind adding like the Vid Gold body oil, by all means, please, you can make do with any of them. They are very effective. Again, they are very, very effective. The one I also really love that I would want you guys to lay your hands on, it is very affordable, accessible, and trust me, it is very effective. The Easy Tone body oil. This is one body oil that has, in fact, I least expected this body oil to be effective, but it shocked me. Like this body oil shook me to my bone marrow. Like it literally did that. It is very effective. And if you're talking about soothing the skin and also hydrating the skin, you're talking about effectively brightening the skin, this is one body oil that stands out. Like this body oil is selling at the rate of 6,000 naira, but it is a very, very effective. You can see that it's very affordable, but yet it does the job without fear or doubt. Like if I recommend you this body oil, just know that you're on your way to getting a brighter and glowy and more radiant even complexion. That is what this body oil will do. Why I love this body oil so much is because it can be used directly on the skin. It is non-greasy, it doesn't sit heavily on the skin, it is very lightweighted and sinks in deeply upon application. It is that good. This body oil is one body oil that I want you guys to particularly lay your hands on, because I told you guys I was going to recommend you two for bonus. 12th one on my list is the Skin Point Glow Boost body oil. It is very good, very effective, and it does the job. There are other body oils that are good, but I said I was going to recommend you guys like lightening body oil. So these are body oils that would lighten your skin and can be used without body lotions to get a brighter skin and complexion. So if you've been struggling to pick up a body oil, like a lightening body oil that will enable your other skincare product work effectively, these are body oils you need to try out. Like you can actually just pair these body oils with your lightening or brightening shower gels and still get like a brighter, fairer skin complexion without you having to use lightening body lotion. So talking of pairing them with brightening or lightening body lotion, you're definitely going to have like people complimenting your skin on a regular, like anytime you go out. I hope you find this video really helpful. Which one have you used? Which would you be trying out? And yes, if you're coming to me for recommendation, please note that I don't take phone calls. When I'm chatting with you, consulting via chat, it enables me to attend to other people who are waiting on the line. Does that make sense? So please, if you're coming to me for consultation and I'm telling you this is the fee you have to pay if you want us to have a one-on-one conversation, please do not raise browses. Do not feel, oh, this one is forming busy. I am not. Please, I beg. I'm still growing and I want you guys to support me in any little way that you can. Thank you so much if you've watched up until this point. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up and like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. And until my next one, I'll see you guys around. Toodles, bye.